what message would you like to give to the global innovators as well as investors to consider Telangana as a long-term life sciences destination?
And in fact, all the global leaders and the leaders from India who are all here. And everybody knows over a period of time, Hyderabad and the state of Telangana has become the vaccine capital. I can't say thanks to COVID, but it is exhibited. When world required us, you all people were there, and Telangana proved its mettle. Thanks to everybody over here. And secondly, over the past 2 years, when we set the process of our governance, and our Chief Minister and our government, has reflected to the industry partners that all the policy initiatives by the earlier governments will be forwarded or pushed forward. And over the past 30 years, if you have seen, the industry ecosystem over here has proven that even though different ideological, political leaders exist on governance, our perspective, our focus will be to develop the industry and to see that the fruits of this industry will be shared among our people. And that's how, these 2 years too, we were very keen to enhance the policy initiatives, which shall be globally competitive, and we will rise to the global standards of our policy making. And this is how, the great excellent team what we have in the government, we could able to really get about 63,000 crores in just 2 years as investment from different global partners.